Hey everyone, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I'm going to take this little 5-inch 2x6 piece of scrap wood and I'm going to use the burnt umber shade. I'm using water to water it down so the coat of paint will look more like brown stain. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to dry it. And then I'm going to take some Mod Podge. And I'm just going to brush on a coat of Mod Podge. And then I'm going to dry that. And I'm going to take a napkin that I got from River Hill Crafts. And I'm going to cut a little section of the napkin out. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of water on a paintbrush and I'm using that to tear off the very edges of the napkin to kind of rough it up a little bit. I don't want the straight edges of the napkin on my little sign. So this kind of helps it to blend in, and the water on the paintbrush is an easy way to do this and to avoid sanding later. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to place it on my board. And once I get it just right, I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper and put that over the top, and I'm going to iron. So the hot iron then melts the Mod Podge and it sticks to the napkin and it just adheres to the board that way. So you can see that the napkin stuck on the board. Isn't that cute? So now I'm going to take Americana paint, just an acrylic black paint. I'm going to place my stencil in the corner. And now I'm just going to stencil on the word family. And I have to cross my bridges on that A. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take some Kilts wax and just go around the edges. Now this isn't really necessary, but I actually made a couple of mistakes that I wanted to kind of hide. So it's good to use this to cover up mistakes. And that's it. I hope you have a happy 4th of July and that you spend time with family. Thank you so much for watching.